Hey everyone, as you can see, winter is here. If there's not snow on the ground, you can begin to see burn spots or dead patches. And those can actually happen from your pets. Now, today we're going to be talking about how the pets can unintentionally damage the lawn or leave those dead patches and what you can hopefully do to prevent those. In normal weather conditions, the damage from pets or their little pathways can usually repair themselves. But in West Michigan, with the current frigid temperatures we're getting, a lot of times they cannot recover. Because once that grass goes dormant, it enters a state where it really can't recover, it doesn't grow, it kind of just waits until that following year. Unfortunately, you'll have those spots coming back into the springtime. Those yellow circles are dead spots you notice when spring comes. So let's actually start right now under the snow. Pets are creatures of habit. They love using the same routes over and over again. In the winter, when that ground is frozen, they will continually use that same path over and over again and slowly work that path down. Now, with the frigid temperatures, that path won't be able to repair itself. It will only cause further damage for you. Because the lawn isn't actively growing, it cannot bounce back. Let's talk about those pesky urine spots. Dogs' urine actually contains highly acidic levels of nitrogen, and a lot of times in excessive levels, that nitrogen can cause a bad thing or burn spots. In proper amounts with uniform coverage, it really won't be an issue, but again, in concentrated spots that isn't washed or diluted, it can oftentimes cause thinning or burning out. And a lot of times this can usually naturally recover in the summer with not too much issue, but with the frigid temperatures and the grass being dormant, it will unfortunately not recover. So the damage sits quietly under the snow, and then all of a sudden, in April, boom, the damage hits. Dead patches everywhere. Now the good news is that there are ways to protect your lawn even during the colder months of the year. Create a pet zone. Designate an area of your yard specifically where your pet can go to the bathroom in the same spot. That way it's not creating damage all over the yard, it's all concentrated into one area. On warmer days above freezing where it makes sense, you can dilute or rinse the areas where your dog went to the bathroom. Again, this will help break down that acidity of the urine if you're able to water it down. Pelletized or pelleted gypsum can help break down those acidic or those high nitrogen spots that are often concentrated and help break down those products to neutralize it. Reduce compacted traffic. Put up barriers or fences or things where your dog won't be able to use the same path over and over again to cause that excessive damage. Plan for spring recovery. If damage does happen, plan to do early spring aeration and overseeding, maybe some light raking in a lot of those areas, get some seed down to help restore those damaged areas. Already seeing damage or have questions about fixing the damage, feel free to give our office a call here. We'd love to help you out, do whatever we can. Don't let pet damage keep your lawn from looking its best this year. Stay safe, stay warm, happy holidays, and we'll see you soon.